So hello everybody, as the video is recording, so it's quite late tonight. It's 1 a.m. and I have to do something. So I just hacked together something really cool. So first of all, to check what I'm talking about, you have to go to my GitHub, and there are two repositories which I wish you take a look at. One is called HKT. I forgot the name, and then there are two repositories. I wish you guys take a look at both of these things. They are both written in Rust, the safest programming language in existence, but it can still have memory leaks, so not the safest, but fast and safe. It's pretty good language in my opinion. So these are two things. This is called hackable TCP to shell daemon. So you get the documentation here, and you get the documentation here. So to make it work, you should first run this. This is everything that I hacked together, and then you want to add an extension called about debugging. You can just load a temporary extension. So this is the extension that I want, and we have mpv5. Now how does this work? If I go to YouTube, right, it's not going to do anything. Now if I go to any of the videos, okay, let's take a look at the video of the cosplayer of Dio in German. I do not understand German. I'm learning it, so here we go. It could be useful. Okay, if we reload this, we should get a following link, and we can open this thing up in MPV.
Cyberpunk Edge Runners Deutscher Dub. Let's go.
Oh shit, you can't have subtitles here, can you? So yeah, he is my resource for learning German, but whatever. So you get you basically see a thing. Okay, you can go to anywhere. Sorting this is and because I'm not really good at JavaScript, this is just something I hacked together in a minute with ChatGPT. If you reload this, when you reload something, it shows the stuff in MPV. So how does this work? So if this program was being hacked together by this guy right here, it could have been like 10 times, billion times better than me. But yeah, whatever. Okay, so how does this work? So if you these are all debug messages, so you don't need to care about them. You can just take a look at the documentation, and then in the documentation, this is hackable TCP to shell daemon. It has its own protocol, so there's some documentation here. And if you go down, so you can edit that exactly this file. So let's check this out in this specific file. So I don't know. Config hk tcp/tsp processes. So this is written like this to make it look a bit like Lisp, but it is not actually Lisp. It can work even without that. So yeah, it is to mpv.sh. So in this way you can specify an ID number, and then you can specify with the ID a script, and then there is a protocol in which you send your files like this. So first it should be password, so the default is root admin, and then ID of the script defined in the process, so there should be number 5 or 69, and then a string can be passed, but that must not contain a new line. That is the protocol, and how to write scripts, something like that. And then you can and you know, in a script you can you can just y okay, vim, you can use this specific variable of oh, it seems it is $link instead of $string value. I think it's not okay. Let's copy this one. I really think it is a string value. Vim. Oh yeah, it is string value, and the documentation was right. So you use this, the string right here is sent through an environment variable string value, and you can use that in any of your scripts or your Python scripts or anything that you want to. So this is HKTCP-TSD, but the protocol that it uses is not a standard protocol, so I had to write another thing, which is JSON to HKTCP-TSD protocol daemon. So this daemon, what it does, it takes a JSON file from anywhere and then uses all those stupid cargo dependencies like Serde and all those stupid stuff to basically, in Rust it's more, you have cargo to do all your stuff, right? So you use Serde and HTTP parse, okay, I don't know, HTTP parse, I'm just going to call it that. So these are the imported crates. They could be MIT licensed, I don't know. I just tell them that they were imported and nothing. This is perfect, so everything is done. So this is this basically converts a JSON file which looks like this to a HKTCP-TSD kind of protocol. And then with that, what I did is I wrote an extension. If we can see this here, what is this? Okay, if you can see it here, this is manifest.json. So it's called mpv5, and I just hacked it together really quick. So this is youtube.com, watch something. This is where it takes your videos, and then if you check the mpv5.js, it is also, you can see it is a very simple JavaScript 29 lines of code. You can reduce it to like 26, let's just say 25 lines of code of JavaScript to make it work. I mean, if you guys want to contribute, you can give me some ways to make it better in the comments. But I wish this does not go above, I don't know, 100 lines. That is the max I am planning to get this. Otherwise I will not understand, because I do not understand JavaScript. I am not a JavaScript programmer, and I'm proud of that. Okay, I'm not a programmer, period, but yeah, I'm just a hobby programmer or something. But yeah, and you can see all these debug messages coming out of these daemons. You can, if you want to, this is another feature, let's say, or something, you can just redirect these outputs to a text file and read all these things. So yeah, this is it. It just says red buffer, okay, and yeah, everything is set up. So you can use environment variables to set different stuff. So I thought of using command line arguments, but I didn't. So yeah, this is basically my setup. So why did I do this? Why did I bother to go to a file and then reload if I don't want to, and then get that thing working in comes. Wait, hold up. It, you know, yeah, here it comes. Make it actually like work in MPV, because if you are using your computer in power, I mean, like if you're using your laptop in without AC adapter connected, then when you watch a YouTube video in YouTube, it takes around, in Wayland, in my system, around 8.5 watts on average to a 7.5 to 8.5, like depending on situations when you watch a video in HD in YouTube. But when you do that in MPV, it goes down to 6.5 to 7.5 watts, which will give you extra battery juice. And I wanted to do that, and it works, as you can see here. I know my color scheme is kind of stupid because I didn't change the color scheme of my bar, but I don't care. That's it. So this is what I hacked together. So if you want to see how it actually works, okay, stupid. Okay, parent tab, escape E. Tab it up. What the hell is going on? Tab it up. Oh my god, I don't understand anything that is going on here. Okay, it works now. Okay, something's wrong, but anyway, you get the point. This thing, we don't need that. You don't need that. Okay, it's normal now. I can send to workspace 2, workspace 2, 6 to 2, tab them up. Okay, so if you want to see how this thing works, then let's watch some video on Rust now.
Alright, but what Rust
And you just run it up, and then you get a notification, which comes from a script, by the way.
But what Rust's going to tell me
And
is
you can
that
watch a video of YouTube like a normal person. Okay, and yeah, this is basically it. And yeah, I have and I wanted to show you a really cool feature that I really found out really quick. This is basically my alt tab setup. Alt tab basically lets me alt tab cargo run. You can go alt tab, another cargo run. You can focus properly. The hell. Okay, something's wrong. Alt tab, alt tab. You can go somewhere like this, and I have added some scripts to move. Look down here. Okay, move through the workspaces that are not there, which I use sway message to achieve that. And I wish I could show that to you right now, but this video is over. I'm going to show them later on. So this is basically it. I think it's really great, and I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, thank you very much. This was basically a hack that I was working on to save my battery juice, basically. Thank you very much for watching these stupid videos. I do not know how to end a video. God damn it. Okay. I don't know how should I end a video. Let's say, let's make a signature of like something like some people say like peace or something, right? Okay. I don't know. Bye bye.